Hi, so we have arrived to Modica. It's the chocolate town of Sicily. So let's see how much chocolate we can find. Modica is the chocolate town of Sicily. But chocolate is nothing new here because the production started already mid-1700. When you walk around, it is chocolate mania everywhere and tastings are often free, also in the museum. I don't know what the chocolate map is all about. The guide there was not particularly interested to tell me. Modica is divided in 3 parts: Modica Bassa, Alta and Sorda, with 55,000 inhabitants. It's a walk-around town where Main Street is quite flat and surroundings are hills up and hills down, filled with many Baroque buildings and churches, but where you find fun places like Old Cigar and a pipe factory. I just walked in, heard voices, filmed and saw no one. I confess not liking Modica chocolate very much, but found one place with quality I liked. The woman in the video didn't want to move, so she's in it. Did you know the chocolate gets its taste by putting the raw product in boxes with different flavors in? Salvatore Quasimodo won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1959. His home is in Modica, and here you can see the video clip in Swedish, him receiving the prize. He was a poet and wrote many fiery pieces about the world.